All right. Uh, Hi everyone. Uh, this is a YouTube tutorial for CBA1, Assignment 1, Year 4, 2024. Okay. This is a video for those who are taking Year 4 today. Or this year. So, first things first for Assignment 1, let's go to Google Chrome because we are going to Canva. Okay. So at the URL bar, click on canva.com. Okay, remember you should be signed in, okay, to an account before using it. Okay? So first things first, what you need to do, go to presentations and then presentation 16.9. Okay, once we're in, you can see untitled design presentation. Click on it. Okay, it'll disappear, but you can type the title of the Canva link. Okay, so type CBA1 -1, your name, your full name. Okay, full name and your class. For example, I'm gonna type for Dickens. Okay, so for one. So once you are done, we're gonna type the title of the slide, okay? So let's go to T, add a heading. Okay, we're gonna type CBA1 R1. The title is gonna be How Computers Help Us Work. Okay, and then you're gonna press enter to put your name and your class. Okay, once you are done, move your mouse and click on the white space here, and then click and drag your title so it will be at the center of the slide. Okay, once you are done, okay, add page. Okay, some of you have the interface looking like this, so you can add page by clicking this button or by clicking add page. Okay, now we are at page 2. We are gonna add a subheading, okay? So make sure you're still at T. So click on T and then click add a subheading. Okay, your first one will be presentations. Okay, why presentation? Because we use presentation tools to make slides for presenting. Okay, so the first tool that you learn in school for presentation will be what? PowerPoint, right? Okay, so let's go to element and then we're gonna type here PowerPoint. So let's click this one, the first graphic. If it has a watermark, it's fine, okay? Because you're actually using a free account. If you have a paid account, then you won't have a watermark. But I don't mind if it has a watermark in front, okay? Okay, now so we have the first one, which is PowerPoint. Okay, next one we are going to find Google Slides. Okay, so how Google Slide looks like. So Google Slides look something like this. If you go to the 9 dots, go to Google Drive, So this part you don't have to follow, okay? Don't follow yet. So you go to plus new, and click on it. What it looks like, it will look like the interface looks a bit like PowerPoint, but you can do the PowerPoint slides online, okay? And it will automatically save for you. So let's not look back here, and then we continue on Canva, okay? Let's continue on Canva. So the next one you need to type is Google Slide, like how I showed you just now. Google Slides, okay? Not slide. Google Slides. Okay, so this is the first symbol, the symbol of Google Slides, okay? So click on it, then arrange it in the middle, okay? Now, the third presentation tool that we use, and actually we are using it right now, which is Canva. So let's type Canva logo, enter. Okay, we can't find the logo right here. So what we do is we click on the arrow right here. Okay, click on the arrow right here, and then you can find the animated logo. Or you can find the picture on Google. But I prefer if you find everything on Elements, that will be easier for you. So I know the logo is a bit big. So can you see the circle points? Okay, so click and drag the circle point to a smaller size. Okay, then put it just side by side, uh, beside Google Slides. Okay, so now you are done for the page 2. So now we're gonna add another page, which is page 3. The third one will be data entry. So go back to T for text, add a subheading. We're gonna name it as data entry. Okay. So let me explain about data entry. Okay. So for those who use Microsoft Excel, okay, you will put information or numbers that you want to count or your informations that you want to keep. Okay. So this is something that you've learned in year 1 or year 2 and also year 3. Okay, Microsoft Excel. So go to Elements, find Excel or Microsoft Excel. Soft Excel. Okay, you can either, let's see, okay, you can click on the second graphics right here. And if you want to change the color for this logo, you can click color and then choose green. So make sure you select your logo. If not, if you select your background or if you don't select your logo, what happens is when you change the background, it will change the background color. We're not going to do that, okay? You have to click on the logo in order to change the color, right? So let's move it on the side and then click on elements again. Okay, like I said, you have used Microsoft Excel for data entry or manipulation of data. Okay, so the next one we're going to find is Google Spreadsheet. Okay, don't follow me on this first. Let me show you how Google Spreadsheet looks like. So if you have Google Drive, okay, and if you click on plus new, uh, or you so it'll be Google Sheets or Google Spreadsheets. Okay, so if you click on it, it kind of looks like what you call Microsoft Excel, isn't it? And it's like Google Slides. If you close it, it will automatically save for you. Okay, So you didn't need to go like it go to file and save because it doesn't have the save button. It will automatically save it for you. All right. So let's find Google Sheets or Google Spreadsheets. So this is the first logo. So we're gonna choose it. Okay, since it's a little bit big, like I mentioned, can you see the circle points? Don't click over here because it's gonna crop the picture. So let's click on the circle points to make it smaller and put it in the middle. Okay, now the last one, okay, is only for students that are going to take ICT in secondary. Okay, this is something that you might learn in year 7 or year 7 and year 8, which is Microsoft Access. Okay, this is also for data entry, but it offers more option on manipu- manipulation of data or changing the data. Okay, this will only be discussed when you enter secondary. Okay, so this is the logo for Access. Okay, I know it looks black. You can leave it at black, like just now for Excel, it was black as well. Or you can change the color by clicking on color. Okay, Microsoft Access is red color. Okay, so now we are done with page 3. Okay, if you have any other tools that you use for data entry, you can enter the logo right here. But here are the 3 examples that we use in school, okay, or you will use in school. Okay, now we're gonna add page. The last one will be tool communications. Okay, so let's go to text, add a subheading. I'm gonna call it communication. Okay. Now, go to elements. All right. The first tool or software that you use for communication that you learn in year 3 is Gmail or email. Correct or not? This is how we communicate with other people. Okay. So you can choose this photo. Anyone is alright, okay, as long as it has a envelope that symbolize email, okay, that you use to communicate with people. But I'm gonna use this. Alright. Now, next one would be what? Okay, a communication tool that your parents use or you might use, which is WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp icon. Okay, let's click on the first one and let's drag it to the middle. Okay, what is the third communication tool that you use? Okay, let's see. For me, okay, in school we use Telegram, right? You can write Telegram icon. Let's see if we can find it here. This is the third one. Okay, for you guys that uses Discord, you can find the Discord logo, or if you communicate with other communication tools is also acceptable, you need to put it here. Okay, so now we are done with all 4 pages. What you need to do is you need to label each icon. Okay, so go to T. Okay, you can choose add a subheading or add a little bit of body text. I'm going to choose add a subheading because the words are bigger. Okay, so the first one I'm going to type is PowerPoint. Or you can type Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay. Second one, I'm sure you know. Add another subheading. We're going to call it Google Slides. Okay. Google Slides. If it went down, it's fine. You can always adjust it on the side. Then arrange it here. And then the last one, please label, okay, even though it has the name of it already. Okay, so add another subheading. I'm going to call it Canva. Okay, so please make sure that you label each and one of the icons. And then once you are done, okay, you can share it with me. Okay, how do you share? Click share. Okay, now let's see. You can copy link, okay, and the link that you copy, you can paste it in the email to send to me. All right, or you can download it, okay, as a pptx file. Okay, you click on the drop down menu. I want you to choose pptx because there is a PowerPoint file, and then you click download. And once you download it, you can include it in the email that you're going to send to me as an attachment. Okay, I'm sure most of you already know how to do attachment for emails. Last year I already taught you. Okay, so once you are done, you can straight away close it because okay, it will automatically save for you. You see, it says all changes saved. So you don't have to click save. It will save for you as long as you log into your Gmail account. Okay, so once you are done, you can close it. And that is all for assignment 1.